Hello, everyone, and today I'm going to talk about a concept that probably any trend trader is already aware of, but it's just a new way of actually thinking about it. And the concept is about surfing. So, if you've ever surfed or watched someone surf, the experience of just riding the waves, and it's a beautiful experience because you just get to witness nature at its fullest. So I'm going to relate the surfing analogy to trading and see how this applies to all of us. So the first concept that I want you to remember is to find a wave. So, depending on where you are and which beach you are going to surf, finding a wave is important, and also finding the right wave. It shouldn't be like, a one that's just gonna like tower on you as a tsunami, but it should not be a small one too, which is just like choppy because you're not actually riding a wave then. So finding the right wave based on your criteria, and it doesn't mean that it's your first time ever coming to a beach and you now are trying to just like ride the first one that you see. Sitting on the shores, just kind of like watching a few of those waves go by, and then saying, okay, I think based on a week, or I would say a month, or whatever your time frame is of data, I think I feel that I am comfortable riding this size waves, or like this is how I feel like I should be stepping into the wave, and this is when I should be feel like I should be stepping out of that. So once you've actually spent time to find the wave, the next is catching the wave. And what do I mean by catching the wave? Catching the wave is knowing when exactly to get on it. So for example, okay, you found Tesla to be a wave. And if you remember, Tesla did go up to, I think this was like 5 times its value, 10 times the value during the 2021. So this is 2021 when it actually really peaked to levels that no one's ever seen this before. So Tesla was on a huge wave. So the first concept was finding Tesla was the big deal, because there's so many different companies and so many different waves. Finding the right one is important. So now that you found it, it's important to step onto the wave at the right time. So this is and you're kind of like stepping onto the wave at the right time, or knowing what criteria to utilize so that you get in at the right time, and you're not just going to go get in at the top and you're just going to come crashing down. So the next I guess step into your process should be to catch the wave, and the third is to ride the wave. And it seems so simple because everyone has the ability to ride, because once you step in at the right time, all you got to do is just ride it to the top, and as soon as it comes to the top, then you just step out of the wave, and then you go over and that's it. You're done. The other way could be to ride the wave to the back to the wherever it's going to take you next. So that's the way. But stepping in at the right time and exit. So this would be your buy. This would be your sell. And then if you would like to short sell this here, and then buy again back here. So this is a cover. You could do that as well. So find the wave, find Tesla, cash the wave, get on it at the right time, leave as well, exit the wave as well at the right time, and then make sure you ride it as well, so you get constant and like I would say the profits that you actually deserve for taking the time and the patience to pick the right wave and also ride it to its fruition. And this experience of waves can be exhilarating because like the market keeps trending upwards, or it could be trending downwards. You could ride an entire crash to the ground, and that could be also an amazing experience, because then you'll kind of like gain momentum, get some practice in riding these downward momentum waves as well. So the idea, the concept of this wave riding is actually called trend trading, and it's a simple concept. And I think a lot of these high successful traders utilize this concept, and it's just a matter of like wave riding and kind of like experiencing the excitement that comes with picking the right one. And then as soon as you get off, like wait for your next wave to come, and then again ride that again. So like come back here. And the concept of where do you pick the wave is so like maybe I'll just talk quickly on that as well, is that you don't try to jump on the wave when it's right at the top, and you always pick it when it's at the shore, it's at the base, when it's just forming up. And that's the same concept that we apply in trading, is because you pick it when like the wave is just kicking off, and then you kind of like, but you should have criteria to know this is the right wave, this is actually going to like take me to the right level that I need to be at, and not just crash there. So I hope this was helpful. A little bit of scratchiness on this, but it will give you a good illustration of like what the concept is about, finding a wave, catching the wave, and then riding the wave too. So I hope you ride a lot of many waves in your journey as a trader, and I hope you are very, very successful. And hope this is just a testament of your wave riding experience. So with that, I'll see you in the next video very soon. And so then stay tuned.